Taking a step outside of the studio here, we can see we're currently at 71 degrees with those light winds out of the southwest there. It has been absolutely gorgeous these past couple of days. Today was not an exception either. I mean, personally, I've been trying to soak in as much sun as possible, been out on my porch doing some homework, and it has been bliss, honestly. With those warmer temperatures tomorrow, we can expect some rain as well. So let's go ahead and time that out on Precision Cast. So as I put this in motion, we'll first stop it tomorrow at 2 p.m. as we just see the first few bands of this light rain move into the area. But as the day progresses, we can see that they progressively also get heavier in these deeper greens and yellows. Also, I must add, we should not rule out maybe a spare rumble of thunder or two with these heavier downpours. And as you can see, even through early Friday morning and into the day on Friday, we will be dealing with that rain as well. As for temperatures tomorrow, it's not going to be all that bad. 56 degrees as a high tomorrow. However, we will be dealing with that rain as well. Wind is also going to be associated there as well. But look at this. St. Patrick's Day is on Friday, so that's something to look forward to. Not great weather out there, but I mean, it's doable. We get what we can take here in Muncie. 48 degrees. We do have rain in the morning. Hopefully by the time afternoon festivities start to kick off there, we can just be dealing with those overcast skies, which would be ideal. Now on to our mid 7-day forecast. See that 48-degree high on Friday. Saturday, actually, we do have a chance of flurries. Sun returns for Sunday, but look at first day of spring's on Monday as well. And the sun's going to be out. This ridge that we have over here that's bringing in all these warmer temperatures. As this progresses throughout today and tomorrow, that's actually going to bring in warmer temperatures that we are going to be seeing throughout the weekend. So if we look at tomorrow's high temperatures, for example, we can see that we're already going to be warmer. 56 Dallas-Fort Worth. Atlanta's going to be at 50 degrees. Cincinnati at 43 degrees. And Minneapolis going from a high of 4 degrees today to a high of 31 degrees tomorrow. And we can really see that warm front here on current temperatures in between the colder blues and the warmer greens. Look at, again, Shelbyville, 62 degrees, very, very warm. Now, something we do need to keep in mind as well, as we all want to go outside and enjoy the warmer weather, is the National Weather Service has put an air quality alert into effect. And it's due to a few reasons. One being the warmer temperatures, high pressure, low winds, and the fire that was down in Richmond. But we can see just to our west, this wide area of enhanced risk of severe weather. So if this moves even closer, we just need to be weather aware for Friday. Just looking at some numbers from the day, the SPC has said that they have 402 storm reports from the day. They have 51 confirmed tornadoes, and that's insane. That just shows you how widespread and big this event was today. We have 93 wind reports, 3 of those being high wind reports, so anything over 75 miles an hour. We have 240 reports of hail. 18 of those reports are large hail, so anything over than half an inch. Or you get a tornado warning is you get those severe thunderstorm warnings. Because, you know, where do tornadoes come from? Severe thunderstorms, right? So it's something we do need to keep an eye on for sure. I've got radar pulled up here on my laptop, and we can just see it. That polygon is just starting to stretch into our viewing area. So it is something we do need to take into account. We can see there are some cells around the area right now. So what we're hoping is going to happen is those smaller cells around the area that are just going to be those light showers are going to start eating up some of the energy that those bigger cells want to feed on and what could grow from. So if those smaller cells could literally just kind of dampen down the energy a little bit, that means that we could probably try and get to the end of this. But honestly, we've been watching this all night, and it seems like these storms are still going. It's kind of crazy what we're going through right now.
It's crazy that it's February and we're about to see 64, but then, you know, we're back to it that next stage, straight to the 30s.
It's actually crazy. If you look at the past 3 weeks, it's done this. On Thursday, we've seen high temperatures in the high 50s, low 60s. That next day, cold front comes through, knocks everything back into perspective for us. It's very interesting.
I was just about to say, I feel like once a week we have a day where we're hitting those 60s, higher 60s, low 60s, and then it goes right back down into those low 30s.
And every time I say to myself, yep, should have gone golfing today. Yeah. Every single day. I won't learn.
It's like an April Fool's joke in February.
Oh, it is.
That's just what's happening right now, and that's just what we're going to have to deal with. Jack, thank you so much.
Welcome.